This screencast is a quick explanation of how to answer C questions, 2 different methods, and looking at the question, explain why Christians have different views on abortion. So method 1 is that you start with religious teaching. So if your question, as we said, is about Christianity and abortion, you need to think what religious teachings, Christian teachings that you already know about abortion. So as I said, you start with the teaching and then you explain it. So I can think of a quote, a teaching about abortion, and it links to the Decalogue. So Christians believe the Decalogue says you shall not kill. That in itself is not enough. You then need to explain how that links into abortion. So on the second part, I've linked it into abortion, so linking the religious teaching into an explanation. Method 2 is when you struggle to think of the religious teaching in the exam. Sometimes you can't think of enough. So you can start with an explanation and then link it to a teaching. So we've got the same question here. Now I can think that some Christians might agree with abortion because the girl or the lady might be too young and not have enough money. But that's not a religious Christian teaching. The question is asked, why Christians? So I need to think, what teaching do I know that might be able to link in to this situation of a girl being too young, not having enough money? And I can think of situation ethics, because actually the most loving thing for her to do in her situation would be to get an abortion, because actually it's going to cause her more upset and problems to have the child. So I've linked the religious teaching into the social reason at the beginning and turned that into a Christian reason.